inviting more self-care and formulating self-care intention. Welcome to Womb Moon Yoga that helps women to feel free and joyful in their bodies and their relationships. So in the previous videos, we've got aware and recognized personal and collective blockages to exquisite self-care that our bodies deserve. And once you clear those blockages, next step would be to invite more self-care and think about what are the smallest, the simplest steps or actions that will bring the biggest result. What do you personally need? What does your body need? And it's important to understand that self-care is not all or nothing. So don't commit to anything that feels challenging and feels like a tall order. Just really allow yourself to go into this more feminine approach of inviting what you need. Formulating self-care intention could be helpful just to have that focus, and it could be starting with I promise, which is more masculine or active kind of energy, or it could be more feminine, passive energy, and you could just start with I allow myself. It's also important to give yourself a time frame. How long this commitment is going to last? Do you want to do it just today, or maybe for a week, or a month, or longer? So by formulating that self-care intention, you're going to really just refocus your life and prioritize that self-care. I'm going to read some of the self-care intentions that women came up with in my personal mentoring sessions or in women's circles, just to give you some ideas. I allow myself at least 5 minutes of conscious rest every day of this moon. I promise to take exquisite care of my body temple this week. I promise to learn and do a new embodied ritual every week. I allow myself to enjoy my body today. I allow myself to feel into my body's needs and wants every morning on awakening, and I promise to do my best to fulfill them. So you want to write them down, your personal ones, and just choose maybe one that feels best, feels more joyful, that makes your body feel more free. And then you may want to share it with your friends and just really give it life. So don't put it off, just do it right now and start with something simple again. Don't make it too complicated or too challenging. As you get used to it, you can just add things on, you can keep changing it depending on your life situation. But please, please, please remember that without taking care of yourself, you cannot take care of anyone else. So it's not an option that is available when everything else is done. It's not an option. You need it because you want to give your best self to others. And you want to enjoy yourself too. It's not just about sharing. It's also about, in your own sovereignty, feeling and enjoying this body temple and allowing yourself to blossom as an embodiment of your personal womb moon essence. Thank you. Write down your intention and please share it in the comments below. I'm so curious to see what you are going to come up with. Till next week, namaste.